Hi everyone, my name is Keith, a machine expert with USACLEAN for 12 years, and this is the NSS Charger 2022 battery burnisher. In this video series, I'm going to show you some general maintenance that you can do yourself to help keep your machine running at peak performance and help minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech. So we need to replace the dust shroud on your machine here. Super simple, this is how you do it. Down here is a Phillips screw with a 3/8 nut on it. We've got to loosen that so we can take the dust shroud clamp off. Now with that loosened, we can go ahead and take off the clamp. After the clamp is off, all you have to do is take off the dust shroud, just like that. Installing it, just reverse your steps, get your new dust shroud. Put it back on just like that, and now all you got to do is put the clamp back on and tighten it back down. I do want to mention that the clamp fits inside this there's a little groove on your dust shroud, and the clamp fits right inside that. Now all we got to do is tighten that clamp back down. Just like that, and you're done. Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in today's video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below, or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.